In this video, I'm going to do a quick servicing on my lawnmower's air filter. The manual says you should do this every 50 hours or annually. Now, the air filter is generally located on a plastic housing somewhere on the outside of your lawnmower, and generally it has little clips or something that you can pop out and gain access to the actual air filter element itself. So once I remove the clips, the cover for the air filter box pops right off, and you can see the air filter. Now, if you're going to replace this, you might want to take this out first and bring it to the hardware store and just buy the replacement so that you're ensuring a proper fit. For me, I'm going to just vacuum this out, clean it up, and reinstall it. Now you can see that one side is dirtier than the other. Basically, the bottom side collects more dirt than the top. So when I put it back in, I'm going to turn it around. So for this, I'm going to be using my shop vac, but any type of vacuum would work. First thing I'll do is get all these big chunks of grass out of the cover for the air filter. And then I'll just clean up around the air filter box as well. Now for the air filter element, I'm going to suck it in the opposite direction that the air flows through it. And this is easily determined by the side that has the big chunks of grass stuck in it. Now, one point of note, you can see there's some discoloration on the air filter. That's likely from mowing grass when it's wet, causing the water to stick to the air filter. Now, I did find that you do need to separate the pleats a little bit when you're pulling the grass out of them. However, I would recommend not being too aggressive with the pleats because you don't want them to be permanently bent or damaged. So I'm just opening the pleat up a small amount just to allow the grass to get pulled back out of it. So this air filter has a wire mesh, and I found it helpful just to very gently sort of bend it backwards to open the pleats up as well, making sure not to do any permanent bending to the mesh. And you can see there's no more grass left in this thing, and this will save me a few dollars, and this should last me for the season, as I only mow the lawn maybe 7 or 8 times a year. So you can see that I've put it in the opposite orientation, so what was on top before is now on the bottom. And putting the cover on the air filter box, 2 clips go in the bottom, and then you just close it up, ensuring the clips are in place. So a fast and easy job before starting the lawn mowing season. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.